All right, happy Monday. Tomorrow's your test. So right before the test, I love to give you guys test questions on these challenge questions to make sure that you guys are ready and you can see your teacher go over how you find these answers one more time. So it's very important. If you did not try these questions on your own first, please just pause the video and go and try these questions on your own. If you did try it on your own first, great. The questions you got wrong, you really want to focus on here so you can get them right tomorrow. So the first one is if you are getting these double digit multiplication questions wrong. I strongly suggest that you use the lattice method because in my years of teaching, I've found that the lattice method is the most effective method. Once the students get it, they really do a great job. So 54 times 89. Now, all you have to do is multiply the numbers associated to each box to fill it in. So this one's 8 times 4, which is 32. This one is 9 times 4, which is 36. Here you have 9 times 5, which is 45. And here you have 8 times 5, which is 40. Each box is sliced from corner to corner, and it goes from right to left. Now, you don't use the outside numbers anymore, and the answer will just fall down. 6 falls down, 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. So you want to put the 1 down this next slide and the 0 for 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. Your answer is 4806. Answer is 4,806. Let's go to the next problem. So the next problem here, I can just do right on the computer. You get rid of the zeros. 5 times 3 is 15. And now you're going to add those zeros back to your answer. So the answer there is 15,000. Here we have a scientific notation problem. You're going to multiply 3.1 times 10 to the third power. Remember, 10 to the third power is really 10 times 10 times 10. It is not 10 times 3. So when you have 3.1, and then you could have infinite zeros going this way. When you have 3.1 and you're getting multiplied by 10, every time something gets multiplied by 10, it pushes your decimal over. So it's getting multiplied by 10 once, twice, 3 times. So when 3.1 gets multiplied by 10 to the third power, it turns into 3,100. Okay, let me show you that again. 3.1, and it's getting multiplied by 10 once, twice, 3 times. So 3.1 times 10 to the third power is 3,100. Now we have 8.2 times 9.5. The first thing we want to do is pretend like the decimal is not even there. So there's 2 decimal numbers that we want to somewhere note, because we had to push this one over once and this one over once. That's twice total. Now we just have to find 82 times 95. Nine times 2 is 18. 5 times 2 is 10. 9 times 8 is 72. And 8 times 5 is 40. 0 falls down. 9 falls down. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then you have another 7 right here. So you have 7790, but remember, it took 2 decimal places to move over, so it has to come back 2 decimal places. So the answer is 77.9 or 77 and 91 hundredths. And then last, we have Don worked during the summer as a lifeguard. He earns $15 every hour. How much is he going to earn if he works for 40 hours? Okay, so now we're just doing 15 times 40. And there's a couple ways to do this. Because 40 is a power of 10, we can ignore the 0 and add it to our answer, right? 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So he's making $700. And if you're like, I don't get the get rid of the 0 thing, that's fine. You can always go back to 15 times 40. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times nothing is nothing. 4 times 1 is 4. And 1 times nothing is nothing. The 0 falls down. The zeros fall down. The 6 falls down. And the 0 falls down. 600. Did I say 700 earlier? Let me do it one more time. My memory tells me I did not say that the first time. 15 times 40. Get rid of the 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 60. And then bring down the 0. Yeah, I won't know until I replay it if I came up with 600 the first time or not. But the answer there is $600. I hope you guys got all those right. I hope you're getting this more than anything, and I hope you rock this test tomorrow. All right, I'll see you during the live session.